Canon EOS R5C plus f2.8 zoom, the hybrid that crushes compromises. Ever felt like your camera's plotting against you, overheating mid-take, or forcing endless lens swaps that kill the vibe? You're not alone. It's that frustrating block where creativity stalls and deadlines loom like storm clouds. Picture this: a solo shooter at a chaotic wedding, fumbling gear while the moment slips away. Sound familiar? Drop a comment with your worst shoot story and let's laugh it off together. If you're struggling with unreliable hybrid tools, this may change your game. Those nail-biting deadlines? The stress of burnout creeping in as your rig chokes on long shoots, leaving you sweaty and second-guessing every frame. It's like herding cats in a thunderstorm. Pure chaos. But imagine reclaiming control. No extra hassle, just smooth, endless creation that feels like a whisper instead of a shout. One videographer confessed it turned her frantic edits into effortless flow. Ready for that shift? Hit like if you're nodding along.
Enter the Canon EOS R5C with its RF 24 to 105mm f2.8 LIS USMZ lens kit, the sly hybrid wizard that flips the script on compromise, blending 45-megapixel stills mastery with 8K at 60p raw video prowess in one weather-sealed body. Feel the thrill of active cooling fans humming quietly, banishing overheating like a bad dream so you capture non-stop cinema raw light without a hitch. Dual modes switch seamlessly. Photo for crisp bursts up to 20 FPS, video for 4K at 120p slow-mo that pulls you into the scene's heartbeat. This kit's UVP? Unmatched versatility. No more lugging dual setups for docks or weddings. The constant f2.8 zoom glides from wide 24mm epics to 105mm intimate portraits with 5.5 stop IS for buttery handheld magic. Here's one way it saved the day. A documentary filmmaker knee-deep in a rain-soaked jungle chase zooms silently via power adapter for that perfect tension build. Zero focus breathing, pure immersion. Sensory rush? That sharp, high-contrast glow on your viewfinder, like velvet shadows unfolding. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end, a hidden LUT tweak that amps low-light intuition. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret tip inside.
Now, bask in the benefits. Turbocharged efficiency where 8K raw oversampling delivers 4K footage so razor-sharp it feels like peeking through crystal, boosting your focus and performance without the post-production grind. The EOS R5C's full-frame sensor drinks in low light, pairing with the lens's nano USM for autofocus that locks eyes like a mind reader, turning chaotic events into polished narratives. Why do thousands rave? This kit slashed my gear bag by half. Now I nail weddings from vows to dance floors without a blink, gushed a top influencer, echoing analysts who call it a workflow revolution. One pro cinematographer shared, "I couldn't believe how the f2.8 constant aperture kept exposures steady during a corporate zoom-in. It's like the lens anticipates your every move." Even skeptics melt. Objection to the price? Sure, it's an investment, but it pays back in save time and zero compromises, outshining clunky rivals. Real users chime in. A travel vlogger whispered, "Handheld 8K in a sandstorm? Gimbal smooth, no sweat, pure freedom." See why it's hypnotic? That subtle bokeh blur caressing subjects, evoking a warm, intuitive pull. Which feature would save your day? Endless cooling or power zoom? Comment below and let's geek out. If you're battling gear fatigue, this powerhouse may change your game. Limited stock on this Canon EOS R5C RF 24 to 105mm f2.8 kit. Join the thousands of creators, from indie filmmakers to corporate pros, who've leveled up their hybrid game with its 8K raw edge and non-stop cooling. Game changer, raved a magazine editor. Users echo, "It replaced my entire lens lineup overnight." Don't wait. Secure yours today and feel the urgency of untapped potential. Click now to unlock a secret feature, the coordinated IS combo for gimbal-free epics. Comment ready for that bonus LUT guide. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.